Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, O level mathematics 40, 24, 21, May, June 23, and question number 11. The diagram shows an open container on a horizontal surface. The container is appraised with trapezium ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium, and cross-sectional area is of this prism is this, and FB is the height as its cross section. AB is 28 and dimensions are given. AB is 28, AD is 16, BC is 24, whereas the height of the prism is FB, that is 29. Now students, angle ADC and angle DAB, these two angles are right angles, and we have to calculate the angle DCB. DCB, this angle we have to calculate. If students, you look at carefully, ADCB is a trapezium because these two lines are parallel, as these two angles are right angles, so we have to find this angle. And if we draw the parallel line of AD from C, and it will become a right angle. I draw this cross-sectional area again to make the point clear. Students, this is a trapezium I am going to draw, and these two lines are parallel. A, D, C, B, or you can say that A, B, C, D is a trapezium, and these two lines and these two angles are right angle. It is 16, this side is 24, and it is 28, and we have to find this angle. And if I draw the line from here in this way, now students, this angle is right angle, and if we find the value of this angle, then we can find the value of angle DCB. This is 24 and this complete line is 28, so this will be, I can name it E. EB will be 4 because 28 minus 24, and this line is 16, and this is right angle. We can find this angle easily. I can name it as X. If we use tan theta, that will be equal to perpendicular over base, and X will become tan inverse into 4 over 16. So it will be the value of this angle, tan inverse shift tan 4 by 16, and the value of this angle will become 14.036, and this angle is right angle, so angle DCB is equal to 90 degree plus 14.036 degree, and we will have 104.036 degree, and when we round it off up to 1 dp, the value of angle will become 104.4 degree. And in second part, B part is Halil pours water into the empty container at the rate of 4000 centimeter cube per minute for 2 minutes. He says that the container is now more than 2/3 fill. So students, first we will find the volume of this container. So I will write volume of the container, volume of the container will be, because its cross-sectional area is trapezium, so the formula of trapezium, area of trapezium is 1 over 2 multiplied by base, and its base will be 16, multiplied by sum of parallel sides, and the parallel sides are 28 and 24. So we will sum up, and the height of this prism is 29. Now students, we will simplify. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, and the answer will be 8 multiplied by 28 plus 24 inside the bracket multiplied by 29, and the total volume is 12,064 centimeter cube. So 2/3 of the volume is 2/3 of volume will be 2 over 3 into 12,064, and we will have 12,064 multiplied by 2 divided by 3, and the answer is 42.7 centimeter cube is the 2/3. Now we will find the volume of the rate. We will find the volume of the water that is being poured. So students, it will be volume of water will be rate multiplied by time, and rate is 4000 multiplied by 2 minutes, and it will be 8000 centimeter cube. The water that is being poured into the container is 8000, and 2/3 of the container is 8024. So the volume of water is not more than 2/3. So students, the answer is no, because the volume that is being poured is 8000, whereas the volume of 2/3 of the container is 8042 centimeter cube. So students, it is B part of this question, and now I am going to solve C part, and C part is calculate angle DFH. Now students, look at the diagram. DFH mean, if I join H with F in this way, and D with F, this angle we have to find, and it is right angle, because this is base and it is height. Height and base is always perpendicular to each other. So students, we have to find the value of angle DFH, and I will draw this triangle again, in which DHF is right angle and HD is 29, and we will find the value of HF, and the value of HF will be equal to the value of DH. So students, when we draw this triangle, first we will find the value of DB. So in triangle ADB, it is right angle. So students, it is hypotenuse square is equal to 28 square plus 16 square, and hypotenuse or DB will be under root 28 square plus 16 square and it is 32.25. 28 square plus 16 square and the value of dB is 32.25 centimeter. Now students, the value of dB and HF is same, and that is 32.25 and DH is 29. Now students, DHF is right angle triangle in which two sides are given, and we have to find the value of angle DFH, this angle. I will draw this triangle again for more clarity. Students, it is perpendicular whose height is 29 and it is base that we have find it out already, and its value is 32.25 and this angle we have to find. So students, DHF and we have to find this angle, and it is right angle. So students, again we will use tan theta because it is perpendicular over base or opposite side to adjacent side, and angle DFH will be equal to tan inverse into 29 over 32.25, and we will have the value shift tan 29 over 32.25 and the value of the angle is 42 degree. So the value of angle is 42 degree. I explain it again. Student, it is prism and HF is equal to dB. So ADB is right angle at A, and we will find the value of dB by using Pythagoras theorem, and dB will be equal to HF, and triangle DHF will be right angle triangle because this prism is on the ground and HD is height. So HD will be perpendicular and HF will be base, and we have find the value of base HF, that is 32.25, and DH will be equal to BF, that is 29, and we have to find this angle F, and we will use the trigonometric ratio tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan theta is always equal to perpendicular over base, as we have to find the value of theta, so we will transfer tan to other side and it will become inverse perpendicular over base. So we have used the value of perpendicular and base with tan inverse, and the value of angle is 42 degree. I hope that you have understood all the parts, and if you feel any kind of difficulty you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can mention your problem in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer you as soon as possible. And at the end I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.